Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with the software setup. So hopefully you've done the reading by now and you know that in order to create a website you need some sort of a host to host your websites. Most of them are not free. However, for this class we're going to use a service called glitch.com. And this is going to be our text editor. It's going to save our website. It's going to make it so that we can share our websites with peers and with your instructor. And so that's how you're actually going to turn in assignments to me. And so we're going to go ahead and get that set up. So you can click this link to glitch.com, and I have it open right here. And you're going to click sign in. Now, if you don't have an account, and you probably don't, you'll click create an account, and there are a lot of ways to create your account here. I recommend GitHub. Even if you don't have a GitHub account, maybe go create one, especially if you are going to be doing development in the future, if that's your major. I recommend creating a GitHub account because you're going to need one at one point. If you're just taking this class for fun or because it seems interesting, then you can feel free to use one of the other ways because you probably won't need a GitHub in the future. So I'm going to click sign in because I do have an account. I'm going to pause this while I sign in. Okay, so I am all signed in. I have several projects on Glitch, so you can see them all here. Yours will probably be empty, and you might even see a create project button. I don't want you to click that. You're going to continue following the instructions and find the starter code. Okay, and so once this loads, my computer is always slower when I do screen shares. So we just get to wait for it to load, and then you can see that we have all of this code in here. There's several files in here, and these are going to help you throughout the semester. This is the starter code for a little over half of the semester. So you'll click remix to edit. And what this is doing while we wait for it to load is making your own copy of it. So think of, we just had a template and now we made our own copy so that we can edit it. Okay? And so now the next step is to just get familiar with the Glitch interface, and I'm going to make a separate short video about that that you can watch if you want, or you can just explore it on your own. And then the next step is to review the index file. So here's our index file. Basically, you just want to make sure that what you're seeing is the right code. And if you look over at the instructions, you'll see an example here. So pretty much if it looks pretty similar to this, then you know that you're good. And it's okay if this doesn't make sense to you yet. It will later on in the semester, and pretty soon you'll know what each and every line of this code means. So that'll be awesome, and we'll go through that. But for now, you guys are set up, software set up, so you can go ahead and move on to the About Me activity, or you can even look at some of this other software that we will be using later on in the semester. This first week is pretty light with work, so if you want something to do, explore these tools and just learn a little bit more. Anyway, let's move on to the About Me activity. You can watch those videos about me showing you the Glitch interface or the Code with Me About Me activity if you'd like, or you can do it on your own. Either way, I am looking forward to seeing your About Me and getting to know you guys.